Stealth viruses are difficult to detect by antivirus software as they use various methods to avoid detection. Now let us understand the malware. The term malware is made up of two words, malicious and software. It is a generic term used for such programs that enter into a computer and damage it without the user's knowledge. Malware not only interrupts the normal functioning of a computer but also steals important information. Some examples of data stealing malware are Bancos. It is an information stealer that waits for a user to access banking websites and, while surfing, it steals the sensitive information. Gato. It secretly monitors web surfing habits and sends this information to its server, which then throws related pop-up advertisements. Students, let me explain you about the computer worms. A worm is similar to a virus in design and it is considered to be a subclass of a virus. Unlike virus, it is a self-replicating program, that is, having the capability to spread without any human intervention. Due to this self-replicating nature, the end result in most cases is heavy consumption of system memory or network bandwidth, causing web servers, network servers, and individual computers to stop responding. In recent worm attacks, such as the much talked about blaster worm, the worm was designed to tunnel into a system and allowed malicious users to control computers remotely. Students, time for fact file. The Morris worm was unleashed on November 2, 1988 by Robert Tappan Morris, which disrupted almost 10% of the computers that were on the internet then. Let us understand the Trojan Horse. The name Trojan Horse is derived from the wooden horse used by the Greek army to conquer the city of Troy. The Trojan Horse at first glance will appear to be a useful software, but will actually damage the computer once it is installed. Users on the receiving end of a Trojan Horse are usually tricked into opening them. Trojans have different behavior once they gain access into the system. For example, some Trojans chain the desktop by adding silly desktop icons. Some prevent applications from running, especially antivirus applications. Trojans are also known to create a backdoor on a computer that gives an easy and unauthorized access to malicious users, thus allowing your confidential or personal information to be compromised. Unlike viruses and worms, Trojans do not reproduce by infecting other files, nor do they self-replicate. They require human action to run. Students, let us talk about spyware. Spyware is a type of malicious software that gains entry into a system and monitors the user activity without his knowledge and then reveals the collected information to another interested party. Spyware programs can collect various types of personal information such as internet surfing habits, visited web pages, passwords, and even credit card numbers. They have the ability to scan files on the hard drive, snoop other applications such as chat programs or word processors. While doing so, they consistently transmit this information in the background to someone else who will either sell the information to another party or use it for advertising or marketing purposes. Sometimes they also change the computer's settings, which results in slow connection speed and wrong functionality of other programs. Students, know the virus is a computer program which is designed to identify, prevent, and remove viruses from a computer. It performs the following task in a computer. Scans computer files to look for known viruses from virus dictionary and tries to remove them. Identifies suspicious behavior of any computer program which might indicate infection. Scans incoming emails which might contain virus in the attachment. Some popular antivirus software in use nowadays are as follows: McAfee, AVG Antivirus, Quick Heal. Microsoft Security Essentials. Symantec Norton Antivirus. Free and paid tools. Free antivirus software: Avast, AVG, Avira, Bitdefender, Panda, Trojan and Komodo. Paid antivirus software: Kaspersky, McAfee, WebRoot Secure Anywhere, Trend Micro, and QuickHeal. How antivirus works. All antivirus applications operate on similar principles. There are two main components in an antivirus: a virus database that contains a list of file patterns which are used to identify a virus. The second component of an antivirus is a scan engine which scans files and compares them with the pattern files to verify if there is any infection. The scan engine can be run when the user explicitly activates it, or it can also be set to run automatically anytime a file is opened or a program is executed. This is called real-time scan. Real-time scan runs continuously in the background. It provides maximum protection by scanning the opened or saved files and displays a notification message when it detects a security risk. Students, let us learn about the importance of regular updates. We have discussed in the above section that every antivirus has a virus database that contains a list of file patterns which are used to identify a virus. Therefore, to catch different and new types of virus, the virus database of the antivirus has to be updated frequently. Simply installing antivirus software in a computer does not guarantee 100% protection, as the installed antivirus program may not be able to detect any new virus programs. Frequently updating the antivirus software will ensure that the system is always armed and well prepared for the war against all types of virus threats. Latest virus protection is crucial for protecting your valuable documents. Protecting your computer and your personal files from virus threat is a continuous, ongoing activity that you need to be vigilant about. Most antivirus software companies provide the facility to download latest updates from their websites. Let me explain you how to use an antivirus software. We are using the AVG antivirus software here. Likewise, you can use any other antivirus like Norton Antivirus, QuickHeal, McAfee, etc., whichever is loaded on your system. The steps to use antivirus software are as follows.